Scott. Let's go. We're with Gary. He's gonna be back there in the 340i. So this is my first time using this camera, like as a POV drive, so it'll be interesting. But yeah, filmed in Mexico, obviously. Very filmed in Mexico. So yeah, stage 1 540i 2019. Yeah, it's tuned to stage 1 MHD, a little bit of burbles on, muffler delete in the back. It gives it a nice low, angry kind of tone. I like it. She's pretty quick too, you know, even for a nice 5 Series little boat. This thing still performs. Drive, 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 drive. Wow, are you kidding me? You totally could have gone. Dude, you have a whole lane open. Drive. You have a whole lane open. What are you waiting for? Wow, all the tormos. Yeah, oh yeah, cops up ahead. I love having Waze open because just like I can see where cops are. So I got my phone right there, just playing some music. I think it's clean, dude. There's a cop somewhere around here. I don't even know. I got stuck in a wet. Yeah, we're gonna see if this even turns out nice. I hope like the wind isn't gonna be a big thing, because right now in Florida it's beautiful. It's nice, like 77 degrees, no humidity, just sun's going down, so it's gonna be nice. We're heading up to a nice little spot to take some pictures maybe. So yeah, it'll be cool. So we're gonna see, I mean, oh, 550, ooh. Ah, those V8s are so unreliable though. Like your mind. Well, I can't see what I'm recording. So let's see what the boys are up to. So boys, I rarely use Snap. I mean, I'd snap 2 people. Shout out to my boy Paul and Timmy. Love you boys, miss you boys. Bro, shut up! So, I mean, we'll see how regular these are, these little POV drives. I mean, right now I have, like, you know, my car is okay. Obviously it's not top notch. It's better than most. I used to drive just the 428i 2015. So the upgrade from an N20 to a B58, and then just like all the things, you got the radar going off. Oh, he still has my walkie.
Channel 5.
Come in, Gary.
Yo, what's up?
Hey, let's go. We still got the walkies. I totally forgot we had the walkies.
For real, bro. How much farther is that?
It's just across the Punta Gorda Bridge. Remember we took pictures in Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's right there. Just like that garage is like next to the next street over.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I don't see any cops, so should be fine. But that's the thing, it's like there's just so many cops driving around and they're like hiding in places, so I have no idea. When you're on, yeah. On the freeway, whatever, you know, game's on. Because even if we do get like, what's it called? Even if they do start chasing us, because you know, cops, they always sit with just their KA band on. Cops rarely use lasers here. Even highway patrol, they just sit with KA on, and that's it. So if we are like hauling, and they are just like sitting there somewhere, odds are they have KA band on and have picks up by the radar, and we're chilling. And plus, Valentine 2 has some crazy range. I'll pick up cops from like 1.5 miles, 2 miles away. Howdy. Oh. No need to ask, he's a smooth operator. Ends right here, it's so annoying. gunshots in the back, dude. It's not this turn, but the next one? I have no idea, if I'm honest with you. I have zero clue. I always forget how to get there. Like the faster way. And you turn here, and then I'm like 99% sure. Forgive my sins, Jesus, save my soul. Amen to that. Yes, honk for Jesus. I will honk for... I think it's right here. If I'm not mistaken. Haha, it is right here. Nope, wait. No idea. Ah! I turned the wrong way! Go back. Go back. I took the wrong turn, Gary, my bad. I told you, I just didn't know. I forgot where it was, man. Turbo Diesel Cummins Limited.
Are we going left here?
Yeah, going left. I took the wrong turn the first time, my bad.
Oh, no, you're good.
Oh, crack my neck. Z4? Yep. Oh, at least we're gonna see these guys again. Are we? I have no idea. Yeah, we are. Boomer, whosoever lives for Jesus. I love this guy. He's just sitting there praising the Lord, dude. I hope that cop honked. I think that cop honked. What a chiller guy. Read that sign, guys. Whoever lives for Jesus. Jesus said, "My kingdom is not of this world." Amen to that.